Hey everybody, John Adams, Modern Design Aquascaping. Today's video is about options. It's about understanding, and it's about leading you down a path to enjoying your water feature like it's meant to be enjoyed. I've been helping people move into new homes and understand, experience, and enjoy their new water features for a quarter of a century. Makes me sound old. Several times a week, I get a phone call that sounds just like this. John, we just bought a new house and it has a pond. It has a fountain. It has a waterfall. There's an issue. The issue is you're confused about how it works. You're not sure if it's working properly. You don't know what it needs. It's about understanding. And it's about your new home experience. Let me tell you something. I bought a new home before and you get this laundry list of things that need to be tended to. You're looking at it like, okay, where do I put my money? Where do I put my time? We have to deal with this one thing at a time. And then all of a sudden you look out the window at the water feature and it's like wow, just what I needed. The freaking water feature's not working right. And I need to lead you to the wind in your hair feeling so that you understand what it is to truly have a beautiful water feature that you can relax and enjoy. Let me explain that to you a little bit. Okay, let's compare this water feature that you have to a sports car. Okay, if somebody goes out, they buy a new sports car. You get in it, you go out, you throw the top down, pedal to the metal, your hair's flying backwards. It's amazing. You're driving through the mountains down a curvy road. Your kids love it, your friends love it, your wife loves it, your dog loves it. It's an amazing experience. And then what happens one day is it breaks. And you're like, I'm fixing this puppy right now. I'm not going a day without it. That's how you should feel about your water feature. Unfortunately, you didn't get the whole thinking about it, picking it out, getting the one that's just right for you experience. You got the, I just bought a new house and it came with a broken sports car situation. And you're like, this is not cool. I don't even really know if I like a sports car. It's the same situation with your water feature because you don't understand the value of a water feature yet. I'm here to help you figure that out. First of all, I want you guys to understand, I'm not asking you for a commitment for money. A lot of people have a fear when they talk to me about their new water feature that I'm going to say, oh, you got to blow that thing up. We're going to have to spend $10,000 to get this thing fixed, and then it turns into 20, and their mind runs wild. I'm sure that's not you, but a lot of people, that's what happens. So let's make a commitment today to make a decision to learn, and let's not make a commitment to spend. That'll get you in the right mindset so that we can get you working towards being behind the wheel of that sports car. So what does this process look like for you guys? Let's start out number one with, you want to get us some pictures. Take some pictures, whether it's a pond or a fountain or a waterfall, anything that's going to help us help you. You can submit photos on our website at that address right there, or you can just call my wife up. Our number's listed at the end of this video, and dial the number. She'll walk you through getting us some pictures. And what these photos do is it sets us up the opportunity to have a scheduled phone consultation. I'll be sitting in my office. I'll be at my computer with your photos up on my screen. I'll put a little homework in ahead of time to know what we're looking at. And then I'm going to have an honest conversation with you about what's going on. What do you think? What do you feel? What do you need? Where are we going with this thing? And 75% of the time, that's it. We can figure out what's going on. I can walk you through it, and you can get back to focusing on your home and all of the other issues that are more pressing than the fountain or whatever it is that we're working on outside. I don't want you to worry about your water feature. I want you to enjoy it. So let's put it in its proper priority, get it taken care of, and then when the time is right, we can circle back to it and figure out what it is exactly that you want and what it's going to take to get you there. If you don't, you're just going to continue to experience the frustration and the confusion of not understanding your water feature. You're going to look out your window and you're going to see it. It's going to aggravate you, and it's going to be a constant source of stress in your life. So let's move forward in the right direction. If you're not ready to have a phone call right now and you're just interested in a little more information, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel? Spend a little time in there. I don't have every video in the world made for you yet, but I'm working on it. I intend to teach you everything I know about water features. We've built water features literally 5 countries and 15 states at this point. We have worked with some of the best pond builders on the planet, and I want to share that knowledge with you to help you have the best water feature that you can have, the best experience that you can have, and the most joy that you can have in your own personal living space. So I really appreciate your time today. I know there's a lot of stuff out there in the world that you could be doing other than watching my mug on your TV. So if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Tell me that you liked it. Subscribe to our channel if you want to know more about amazing water feature projects that we get to be a part of. And if you have any questions or concerns, put them in the comment bar down there. I'll answer you back and we can just interact that way, whatever you're comfortable with. I want you to end up with the wind in your hair, my friends. Have an amazing day. Oh, by the way, 2 more days and I get this stupid thing off my hand and I'll be back to hauling rocks again.